Hey you guys, what is up? It's Shay. I'm back. I'm here to do a review. I did a collaboration, but I had an item called Face Halo, you guys. I was asked to collaborate with them and basically do a review, and I did do a post, but I wanted to do a video. So I am here with you guys so I can actually show you. So you can see the real. I'm in my bathroom by the sink because it's very easy to use. So I wanted to show you guys so you can see for yourselves how good it works. I know that Chloe Morello is like she's behind the whole thing, and she definitely like rooted for the Face Halo. I've heard so many great things about it. So I'm so happy to be a part of it. And I'm going to do basically a review. You guys are going to watch me do this. So I got this in the mail. The company that works with me and finds me jobs to collaborate with different companies. So I was really happy because I'm a beauty influencer, and who wouldn't want a face makeup removing pad, which saves me money because I do buy my makeup removing wipes from Neutrogena. I love them. I've been using them for a long time, but I spend money on them all the time. And so you get this cute little black and white. I love it. Get this bomb picture of Chloe Morello. It's cute. And basically it has the instructions on the back right here. You use water. What is it? You just add water, remove makeup, and you can wash and reuse. Like, how much money are you saving by washing and reusing the makeup removing pad? Oh my god. So I got these three beautiful lovely pads. They're very soft. I already opened it. They're very soft. Very soft. So today I'm just going to be using one. I'll show you how it looks. So this is how it looks. It's very soft. So you can also use both sides. So that's already probably 3 wipes I've already used to wipe off half of my face. So I really like this. I love black, and I just love the concept that they did with this. This is really pretty, and I love it. So I'm going to wet this, and I'm going to wrap around my hair so my hair won't get wet, and that way you guys can see the actual full details. So wrap around my hair so I don't get any makeup or water in my hair. So I did wet it, and it absorbed a lot of the water. It really did. I got a lot heavier. So I need to remove my lashes. Okay. So basically it just says add water and start wiping off. So this is my face with some makeup that I did today, and here we go. As you can see, the makeup is coming on. Let's look at that. Look at that. Let's get on the face. Look at, it's really soft. I'm not really going crazy with it. Look at that. I mean, I would have been through 2 wipes already, you know. I'm just trying to do half of my face so you guys can see the difference. Oh my god. Look at that. And that's half of my face. I'm not all the way done, but that's half of my face. Gotta get the eyeliner. Now, everybody knows, all of us ladies know that the eyeliner can tend to be like a tough one. So and look you guys, this is serious. I wanted to do this so you guys can really, because I'm all about being real with my followers and my subscribers. Look at this. This is my face. Like it, I'm gonna give this a thumbs up. Like, this is my face. And look at that. And I'm gonna go to the other side and just see. That's it. Like, oh my God. Wow. I love this thing. Like, you ladies have to go out and get you this. I mean, they're very affordable. They're like $20-$25 for 3 of them. And just think about it. You can rewash them and reuse them. So how much money are we saving on getting makeup wipes, ladies? I mean, that's you can't beat that. And I mean, it really gets I did half of my face with one side, and I did a little bit because I just wanted to see. But half of my face is, I would have went through 3 wipes on one side of my face. Seriously, I'm not exaggerating. Like, if you ladies don't believe me, I mean, I'm a first-time mom. I'm an everyday working woman, so I'm always on a budget, or I'm always looking for ways to save my money. So this right here is a lifesaver. Oh my God, for like it's like $20-$25 at the most. Like, honestly, I would not recommend anything that was like super expensive, because I'm an everyday person, and you know, we don't have money to spend all the time. You know, we gotta pay bills, you know, we have kids. So I'm always rooting for my everyday women who are looking for deals and looking for ways to save money. This is it, ladies. This is it. This is it. So, this is it. I'm just gonna finish wiping the rest of my face. It's just like, this is amazing. Oh my God. I'm like in love. Wow. Wow. This is amazing. It's a little bit, like, you might have to scrub a little bit harder, but I'm gonna say for the most part, I give this an A. I am having a little bit of problems, but getting the eyeliner off, but it's coming off. It came off easily on this side. It's a little bit over here, but come on, who doesn't have problems getting their eyeliner off their eye? Like, I don't know anybody that doesn't have any problems. This is great. So this is my face. No more makeup. And I used both sides. I did. And you can wash it and then reuse it. So this is a thumbs up for me. And ladies, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and give it a thumbs up, ladies. And please comment and leave me any feedback, any questions, and let me know what other videos you guys would like to see from me. I'm trying to get back to recording. I've been going for a long time. A lot of things have changed. I've got a new career. You know, I'm working on things, and I just had to take a break from trying to record. It was just too much. So now I'm back, and I'm sorry I left you guys for a while, but I'm back. I'll be doing a skincare video. actually after this. So if you see me in the same shirt, you know why. I'm gonna do a skincare video of what I use to take care of this skin, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.